Hello everyone, welcome to Future Leaders Academy. Okay guys, today's class. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಂದು, ಕಲಿಯೋ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿಮ್ದು ಗೈಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಯು ಮೇ ಲೂಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 20 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ ಗೈಸ್? ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, today's concept, matter in our surroundings. Chemistry, first concept of the first chapter of the 9th standard, that's the matter in our surroundings. Okay guys, what exactly the matter? Matter is ಏನು? What is matter? Okay guys, matter means something that has a mass and occupies a space. For example, I have a mobile. Okay, so mobile have a mass and it occupies a space also. Where it occupies, sir? I have the palm. In my palm, if I keep an object, that's a mobile, it's occupied my area of my palm. Okay, ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಗೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗವನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And even guys, matter has three states. Matter has three states of. Okay guys, so what exactly is the matter? Let us see guys. See, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. That has a mass and occupies space. What I have explained with a mobile, it has a mass. That's one quantity. Mass means a quantity it will measures. Okay, then occupied a space in my palm. Understand? Getting guys? Okay, next one. So guys, this is the image I have tried to give you, that to make you understand what exactly the solid, liquid and gases will be having between them. Okay now, you could see here, atoms are tightly bounded. Atoms are tightly bounded together like this. Very tight, very tight. Okay. And here guys, they are loosely bounded. Little bit loose compared to the solid. Loosely bounded. And in the gases, there are very highly. There is no, most of the gas free of space is there. Totally loosely bounded compared to the liquid. Liquid compared ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ gases ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ space ಇದೆ. Intermolecular space, what we call intermolecular space is more in gas than less in the solids compared to the gas and solid. And middle will be liquid. Okay na? ಘನ, ದ್ರವ, ಅನಿಲ. ಘನ ವಸ್ತುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರೆ ಪರಮಾಣುಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾವ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾವ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ದ್ರವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ರೀ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ air medium only. There is no any gases are pulling me or pushing me. Okay na? Because it's a free of state where the molecules are free. I mean, there is most of the intermolecular space. Okay, and intermolecular force of attraction is least. Intermolecular force of attraction in gases, in the gas, force of attraction is less guys, less ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. Okay now, so guys, ತಿಳಿತಾ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. This is the image where the intermolecular force of attraction, which shows in the solids and it shows in the liquids, then it is in the gases guys. Okay na? ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what are the states of matter? Solid, liquid, ಇದು liquid ಅಲ್ಲ, liquid ಅಂದ್ರೆ Q, liquid and gas. These are the three states of matter. So I had given a solid, liquid and gas. Clear guys? Okay, next one guys. Okay, physical nature of a matter. What exactly the physical nature of a matter says? Listen to me guys. Matter is made up of tiny particles. These tiny particles are called atoms. Tiny particles are called the atoms guys. Very small pieces. Okay, that we call as a atoms. Okay na? Atoms. And these particles have These particles have space between them. Those particles have the space between them are constantly moving. Are constantly moving. I mean, continuously. There are tiny particles like this. Those will be moving continuously or constantly. Okay, now. For example, guys, if I take this pen, okay, SP pen, there are many molecules, many atoms, not a molecule, many atoms together combined to form an object. Okay, na guys. Okay, even a mobile, what I have given example for the matter. To manufacture this mobile, ಈ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬೇಕು, ಫೈಬರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೀಸ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕಾಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ occupied space and it is made up of made up of a tiny particle. Even guys, I will make you understand. For example, consider I am not a good artist to draw a home, building or anything else. Consider this is a home. As we draw earlier when we were a childhood, okay, life. So this door. This is a home and it's a door. Okay, it is done by the construction has done by the using of bricks. ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. So this is what a small bricks can build a entire home. The bricks are called the atoms of the home. ಈ ಮನೆಯನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಹೋಮ್. ಮನೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದ ತಾನೆ? ಆ ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? ಆಟಮ್, ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಏನ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಟೈನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ಸಣ್ಣದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ tiny particles, that's the atom. And these particles have a space between them. Does not have a space between them. Particles have space between them. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? So this is what the physical nature of the states of a matter or a matter. Next one. Oh, great. Characteristics of particles. Characteristics of a particle. What are the characteristics, guys? What are the characteristics? Listen. The particles are very small. Particles are small. Very small. Very small. Ati chikadagirtava. They have a space between them. Just now ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ. Yes or no? Space between them. ಜಾಗ ಇರ್ತದ ನಡುವೆ, ಅದರ ನಡುವೆ space. You write a space. And they are constant motion. They are in constant motion. They are in motion. Next one. And they attract each other. They have attraction. Attraction. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾವ, ಸೆಳಿತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೆಳೆತ ಇರ್ತದ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸೆಳೆತ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಜಗತ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು. ಯು ನೋ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನ್. You know gravitation chapter. Okay, if you don't know, don't mind. I will teach you guys. Okay na? ನಾನಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? So next one guys. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Characteristics of the particle of characteristics of particles or a particles of a matter. Okay. So ಇದನ್ನ just screenshot ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. Screenshot ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Just you can remember. Okay, once I will erase it, you can take a screenshot. Okay, this is what the characteristics of the particles. Okay. Just to take the screenshot guys, you can remember easily. Clear? Next one. Next one is, exactly I had given here space between them I had said you guys, right? You could see that this is the image where particles are here. Okay, this is solid one. This is what a solid. This is liquid and it is gas. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಘನ, ದ್ರವ. ಓಕೆ, ದ್ರವ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಅನಿಲ ಅಂತ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ, ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಮ್. ನೌ ಗೈಸ್, Solid particles are arranged like this. Solid particles are arranged very closely arranged. Very closely arranged. Okay now? Okay. Between them, only small amount of gas you could see. ಅವು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಎಳಿತಿರ್ತಾವ ಸೆಳೆದಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೌ ಸರ್ ಹೌ? ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಗೈಸ್? ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ನೋ, ನೀನ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಚಟಕ್ ಬೀಳ್ತೀಯ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡೈ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಂಪ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಡಿಫರ್. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಜಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. Gas means you can freely move your hand. Yes, you can move your hand freely anywhere. I'm moving right now. If you observe, this kind of a movement will not be there in the water. You cannot move like this. You cannot move like this. Okay, now guys. Okay, and solids. If I hit to the mobile, can I go? Is my finger will start transfer from the mobile? Can you feel? I'm pricking it. So here it is not passing. It means it's a solid. Okay. If I take a jar of water, if I keep it the pen in that one, then the pen will sink in that. Sink in the sense has space, it will sink in that. And gas, right now it's a gas only, gas medium. Understand guys? Clear? Okay. Next one. Next one is, yeah, that's the types of matter, whatever I said it. So that is 1 minute, I'll clear it. Yeah, these are the types of a matter. So solid, liquid and gas. Okay, this is what I had explained already. Okay now guys, you can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot, guys. Yes, you can take a screenshot of this one. You can remember by the solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas, guys. Okay. Next thing, guys. Solids. We have to go through the solids and let us understand characteristics of solid. Okay, listen guys. Solids have a definite shape and a value. Have a definite shape, fixed shape. Okay, example, I have mobile only guys. I'll explain the mobile. Okay na? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಶೇಪ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಶೇಪ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬದಲಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ tightly packed. Whatever I explained in the previous listen. Now, tightly packed means this is what? Tightly packed. Okay. Then guys, next character is least compressible. Least compressible. Compressible meaning I'll tell you guys. ಒತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕುಗ್ಗುತ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒತ್ತುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಂಗ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್. ಸೊ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ is not able to compress. If you apply with the machine, it will compress, but not the most. Not the most. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಇದೆ. Why? It's a metal. Okay, metal and glass, many things are there. Many things are. If you try with the liquid, you know very well, oil pressure JCB works on that. Yes or no? ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು? ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಅದೇ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್, ದ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ಸ್. Liquids, no fixed shape and fixed volume. No fixed shape but have a fixed volume. Volume will be fixed, guys. Don't confuse. Fixed volume. Then the particles are loosely packed. Then flow easily. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗತ್ತಾ? ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫ್ಲೋಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Flowing characteristic illa, yakapare it's solid. It's a solid. But if you pour a water, water will flow. That's why it will flow easily. Nan jasti difficult ಏನು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Easy concept guys, easy concept so that you can understand clearly. Clear guys? Clear. Next one, that's gas. Gas has a no fixed shape or a value. No fixed shape or a value. volume are also not fixed and shape also not fixed. Okay, how much you can compress it will have volume, and whichever the gap shape you will give it will fit in that one. Cylinder shape, container shape, you know very well. Gas welding cylinder will be different, and common household whatever we use the domestic cylinders, those structures will be different, guys. So that will be gained by taken by the gases. Those are the special characters. Particles far apart. Particles far apart. In the meaning means, guys, free space, free. There are the gap is much heavier gap. Very high gap will be there. As we observed in the previous one. Okay. Next one. Highly compressible. Best example for this one is cylinder. Best example is cylinder, guys. Please remember the characteristics, guys. You can take a screenshot. Let me clear it. Yes. So you can take a screenshot of this one. Okay now. So you can write on one shot, guys. One shot. I mean, you can make a notes of very short notes within a within a 2 to 3 pages. You will complete the syllabus chapter only. Chapter only. Okay. So next on what's that? Mind map. I will go to the mind map also. After once of the chapter, I'll give you the mind map of the complete chapter. Okay. So that you can have a one only one page record is enough for entire chapter knowledge. Understand? Next thing, guys. Next one. Wow. Next one. Comparison of the states. Let us compare. What exactly the what is the property? What is the property is that? What is in the solid that has a characteristics of a property, and liquid has a property and gases have a property. What are the properties? There are mainly three properties. What is exactly the shape, volume, and compressibility? You know, guys, solids always shape and volume will be fixed there, but the compressibility will be least. Listen to me. Compressibility is least in the solids and has a fixed shape and fixed volume, or a definite shape and definite volume. Next one, in liquid, not a fixed shape. There is no any fixed shape. If I fill the water in the bottle, it will take a water bottle shape only. If I fill the water in the bowl, it will take a ball shape only. If I fill a water in the any container, it will take a container shape only. Okay, just example. Enough. Next one, it has a fixed value. Volume will be fixed, guys. Volume means if it is 300 ml, na, obviously 300 will be 300 ml only. It will not. If I fill the water from the bowl to the bottle, it will not rise, guys. It will not rise to 300 to 600. No, 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 impossible. So that way, guys, fixed value and compressibility moderate. You can compress the liquid compared to solid is least. We can, but very least amount. Understand? Next, guys, gases. Next one is gases, that is not a fixed shape, not a fixed volume, but highly compressed. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತುರ್ಕಬಹುದು. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಒಂದರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ or a bottle may have, yes, we can, but bottle should be have a capacity to hold it, guys. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಗೈಸ್? ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. Okay, you can take a screenshot or like this. You can only can take it, guys. Next one. Next is yes, change of states. Wow, great image. I have given the one of the image, best image I have tried to give you. Check out, guys, what exactly the change of state. See, melting is there, and the boiling, condensation, freezing, and sublimation. Sublimation. What exactly sublimation? I'll explain you, guys. Melting means here solid is melt to give you a liquid. Melt to give you liquid. Then boiling. After the boiling will you know what? Evaporation is without a boiling. You know what? Here evaporation is going on. Evaporation instead of boiling, you can boiling means where the 100 degrees Celsius water starts to boil. Okay, and evaporation. Next step is evaporation. Then afterwards the condensation. Then again it will liquid. Condensation here as a gas will condense to form a. This is what a cloud. It's what a cloud. I have taken one of the example of the water cycle, guys. Okay, now don't worry. I'll explain it now. Then after the condensation, freezing will be there. It will become a solid in nature. I mean ice cube. Ice cube. Then again, sublimation. What exactly sublimation? Let me clear guys once. 1 minute. Guys, one thing I'll tell you. When solid melt to give you a liquid, liquid start to evaporate. After evaporation, with the dust particles, it will go and collect in the atmosphere. As in the form of gases, it will flow, it will move. Then for the dust particles, it will collect and form a cloud. Okay, after the cloud, precipitation will be there, water cycle. Then again, condensation takes place. Then after the condensation, it will form the liquid. You know, gases will be evaporate out, and you know that if you are preparing a tea, just close one of the plate on that, then the water will be collected. After the gas you all know, then the water droplet will be collected at the surface of the plate. If you open it, it will fall as a water. That's exactly the condensation. Okay now, clear. Then we will get a little. After the liquid will be get freezed. After freezing, it will become again ice cube. Again a ice cube. Freezing point. Freezing point. Okay. 0 degrees Celsius we will get the freeze. Water get the freezes. Okay now. Then guys, see melting means solid to liquid. Boiling means liquid we are converting into a gas. Condense means gas to liquid. Freezing means liquid to again solid. Liquid to again solid. Then sublimation means solid to directly gas. Example is your camphor. Camphor and phenolphthalein ball. Phenolphthalein ball and the camphor are the best example where without production of any liquid it will convert into a gas guys. ಕರ್ಪೂರ ಕರ್ಪೂರ ಉರಿಸ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀರು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿತಾ that's what the sublimation. Clear guys? Clear? Okay, next thing. Next one is yes, melting and boil. I have given here. You can go through it. Now you will understand. Melting means solid to liquid. Melting is solid to liquid. Boiling point means liquid to gas. Clear guys? Clear? Okay. Next one. Next will be the evaporation, condensation and freezing. Evaporation, condensation and freezing. Let me clear guys. Evaporation means liquid is directly converted to vapor without a boiling. Evaporation depends on the temperature, surface area, humidity, and the wind. The factors affect on the evaporation. These are the things. Or evaporation is depends on. You can write on these points. That is depends on temperature, surface area, humidity, and the wind. These are the conditions or evaporation depends on. Okay, what condition? Evaporation depends. Clear, guys? Next one. Condensation means condensation is gas into a liquid where gas is evolving like this. One of the plate is there here. One of the plate is closed at the for example here you are boiling it, then it's evaporating, then it deposit here, deposit as a droplets. Then once you open it up, this is a plate, then water will start falling. Understand? This is what the condensation. Next guys, freezing. If you keep a water into a freezer or refrigerator, refrigerator, refrigerator. Okay, refrigerator. Spelling ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Sorry. Refrigerator. Okay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರಿಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗತ್ತ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತ. ಐಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸಾಲಿಡ್, liquid to solid phase. Next one, sublimation. Direct changes from solids to gas. Examples, camphor and dry ice also. Dry ice also an example. As I given the before idea, example is phenolphthalein ball. Phenolphthalein ball takes a lot of days, many days, nearly a week, 2 week, like that. Okay, it will take depends upon the what we can say that area, humidity and all. Okay, next, but here exactly, if you remember, guys, that's the conditions for the evaporation. These are the most important conditions: temperature, surface area, humidity, and the wind, guys. Clear, guys? Next thing. Next is effect of temperature and the pressure and latent heat. Latent heat. Very important. Latent heat. High temperature, then the faster the particles movement. Effect of temperature, I'll tell you guys. If you heat enough, if you heat more, then particle starts running. Obviously, guys, obviously. It's called a kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature. We can say that temperature in liquids, guys. In liquids. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ heat ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ kinetic energy ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Particles start moving very faster. Okay. High pressure particles comes closer. If pressure is applied particular surface of area, particles start becoming very closer to it. Close ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Pressure apply ಮಾಡಿ. Temperature ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Pressure ಕೊಟ್ರೆ close ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Okay. Then latent heat of fusion, solid into liquid, latent heat of vaporization, liquid to gas. What exactly latent heat, guys? Latent heat is nothing but the temperature required for the states of a matter where it changes to one phase. We can say phase or a states one state to another. Amount of energy required, either absorbed or released. We can say absorbed or released. We can say. ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಥವಾ ಹೊರ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾವ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಲೆಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೆಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಟು ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಅಗೇನ್ we can say that solid. Okay. Solid, sorry, gas to liquid, you can say. Then directly from solid to gas will convert. Okay, that is what the latent heat, guys. Clear? Then next thing, cooling effect of evaporation. Cooling effect of evaporation. That's evaporation in our daily life. How it happens. Okay, that's your cooling effect of evaporation. And examples are sweating and desert cooler. Sweating and the desert cooler, that is cooling effect of evaporation. How cooling will affect on evaporation? On evaporation. For example, sweating is also a cooling effect of a cooling where we will get a sweat, and desert also cools. Desert also cools down because of the effect of cooling. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Yes. Next thing. Next, guys. Factors affecting evaporation. Factors affecting evaporation. So that is, these are the factors, guys. That temperature. Okay, factors. What are the factors? And effect on evaporation. How it affects. If the temperature is increases, if temperature is a high temperature, then evaporation increases. On surface area is increases, and humidity decreases, then wind speed increases. If the speed of a wind is more, evaporation increases. If it is a more humidity, evaporation decreases. Inverse. Humidity and evaporation are inversely proportional. If humidity more, then evaporation decreases. Evaporation is more, humidity is less. Okay, next one. Surface area is more, then increases. Okay. Temperature, if you give, then obviously it will increase. Clear? Next, guys. Yes. So, guys, no concept anything else yet. We conclude the most of the things in the video. That I will end the session here only. Okay, na guys. Hope you all have understood the concept. The chapter very small and very interesting chapter regarding the states of a matter or a matter in our surrounding. Matter you understand. Whatever, guys. Whatever, including any kind of object. Okay, that you even your mobile, laptop, book, bag, your shoes, whatever, your bike, cars, all of them matter only where it occupies the space. Hope it is clear, guys. I think you have learned something. Okay, meet you guys in the next video. Till that, take care. Bye bye, guys. See you once again, guys. Bye bye.